Have a 2020 Chevy Silverado 1500, and today I'm going to be installing the MaxMate upgraded 4-inch oval straight sidebars. The kit comes with two of the rails, the mounting brackets needed, all the hardware, and it's going to be mounting into the factory bolt locations underneath the vehicle. The tools I'll be using today is a panel tool, 3/8 drive ratchet, and 13mm sockets. I'm also going to use impact driver just to make things a little bit quicker. All the hardware is going to be mounting into the factory locations. You have these across the bottom rail. This is on the passenger side from the rear tire looking forward. There's a total of 6. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to be using locations 1, 3, 4, and 6 for the install. To remove the plugs for the factory threaded screw holes, I'm just going to use my panel tool. Just get up underneath it and pop it right out. Very simple. You're going to do that for locations 1, 3, 4, and 6, both top and bottom locations. These are the brackets that are going to mount onto the side of the vehicle. The holes here and here are going to be mounted where we took off the screw plugs. The bottom side down here is where the rail rests into. From the front of the step pad to the front of the bar is going to be longest towards the front. It's approximately 13¼ inches when it's facing forward. I'm going to have a timer going while I do the install to show you how quick you can get the install done. It's going to take less than a half an hour to do both sides. So just under 8 minutes to install one side, fully supported, all in the factory locations, no drilling, nothing extra needed, everything lined up just great, and it gives a nice, good look. Again, this is the MaxMate 4-inch oval stainless steel sidebars, Nerf bars. Bought it through Amazon for $159. With Prime you get free shipping, and it came within, I think it was within 4 days that I actually got it. It said that it was going to ship a little bit later, however it did arrive early. Less than a half an hour to install both driver side and passenger side bars.